Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your Microsoft OneDrive from your PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your OneDrive from PracticePanther anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PracticePanther dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Microsoft OneDrive, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you do that, you want to click on settings. Once you click on settings here on the left, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see files and documents. Once you click there, you're going to look for the OneDrive logo, and underneath it, you're going to see a red disconnect button. Go ahead and click on there. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see this blue pop up here saying that your OneDrive is now disconnected from PracticePanther. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Microsoft OneDrive from PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.